May I now invite the principal of our school, Sister Divya, to please come up and convey her vote of thanks.
A very good evening to all present here. I consider it my privilege to use this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to one and all who have helped in making today's program a success. It has been a day of blessings, efforts and achievements, and for this I thank God Almighty, under whose divine guidance we have been able to fulfill the dream of presenting today's program. I wish to put on record my most sincere thanks to our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Roshan Jacob IAS, the District Magistrate of Kanpur, whose gracious presence among us has greatly enhanced our joy and given us a lot of encouragement. In spite of her hectic daily schedule, she happily consented to be with us today as the chief guest. On behalf of the SMC family, I would like to express our heartfelt thanks to you for the gift of your time and the honor of your presence. My heartfelt thanks also to Mr. Amit Kumar IDES, the Chief Executive Officer of the Cant Board Kanpur, the guest of honor of the day. You have taken time out of your busy schedule to spend this evening with us. Thank you, sir, for gracing this event by your benign presence. A special thanks to Reverend Sister Sumita CJ, the Provincial Superior of the CJ Sisters of Allahabad Province, for your encouraging presence with us this evening. As I recall the process and preparations of this function, I remember many people who have helped us behind the scenes. I would like to thank the Cantonment and City Administration, the military and traffic police personnel who have extended their full support to us. My sincere thanks to Mr. Sanjeev Bajpai, Mr. Naushad, Mr. Peer Gulam, Mr. Devshish Mishra, Mr. Sanjay Mishra, and Mr. Sharath C. Nigam, and all their helpers for the stage, tent, light and sound, and the seating arrangements which have enhanced the effectiveness of our program. A word of thanks to the press and media representatives for covering the program. Mr. Ashutosh Gupta and his team from Parikshit Studio for their invaluable service to us. My sincere thanks to all the parents of our students, without whose wholehearted support and cooperation, this program would not have been possible. Thank you for your trust in placing your daughters under our care, and we will do our best in the course of education that is unique to St. Mary's. I am sure that in today's program, you have had a glimpse of the discipline and the values that we impart in our day-to-day functioning of the school. Dear parents, your presence here in large numbers has been a source of delight and encouragement for us. Our sisters, the office staff members and the teachers are the pillars of our school, and it is due to their tireless efforts and commitment that we have been able to present a program that had variety, originality, color, rhythm, and above all, a message in every item. Thank you, dear sisters, the members of the office staff and the teachers. It will not be complete if I do not mention the names of the experts who gave a touch of perfection to each item. A big thank Mr. Sanjay Chowdhury, Mr. Sanjeev Singh, Mrs. Aparnika S. Dixit, and Ms. Shreya Mehra for their guidance and professional touch for each item. My hearty congratulations to all our students who have really put in their best efforts in whatever part they were assigned. The values that they imbibe during such functions make them an asset to the school, their families, and the society. I am sure their performance today has spoken for themselves. A big thank you to all the Reverend Fathers, Sisters, and Principals of the schools for your benign presence here. I thank all our friends and well-wishers for giving us your time this evening. A word of thanks to Mr. Ajit Mohan and his team for the catering today. Our co-workers are the backbone of our institution. Their unstinted help, thoughtfulness, and hard work have gone a long way in making today's program a success. आज हम अगर अपने काम को इतनी आसानी से समय पर पूरा कर लेते हैं तो उसके पीछे है हमारे नींव की ईंट, हमारे को-वर्कर्स। धन्यवाद के पात्र हैं स्कूल के ये सहयोगी जो पर्दे के पीछे रहकर कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाने में अथक सहयोग देते हैं। At the end, I once again wish to reiterate my heartfelt thanks to everyone for your gracious presence here this evening, because your appreciative presence has made the day memorable for all of us in St. Mary's. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you, sister. And now over to Humaira and Ria.
Ria, do you agree with me that there is no beauty in this world without any music? Of course I do, and so says Shakespeare. If music be the food of love, play on, so get into the rhythmic mood to cross any hurdle coming your way. Let's listen to our SMC Junior Band, which is going to play to the tune Tujhse Naraz Nahi Zindagi and Lara's theme from the movie Dr. Zhivago.